darlings! Today I will tell you how to emphasize your lips because we all want big lips actually, and I'm not the exception. So first thing you need to do is to use some contouring product. I'm gonna use this one from Hourglass palette. You apply it onto the brush and then you darken these areas above the lip and underneath the lip. I know first it looks really strange, but believe me, it works. Then you take the pencil and you draw the line. Don't forget the rule that if you make your lips bigger, you should follow your natural border over here and over here. And over here you can overdraw your lips, like I do. And don't forget about the corners of the lips. That's really important. After that, you blend it. Then you take a nude lipstick, mine is from the NYX, and you apply it with your finger. And the last step is the nude lip gloss. Mine is from BUXOM in color Kimberly. 1 dot onto the bottom line and 2 dots onto the top. And you blend it again with the finger. And it looks really good with this emphasized cheekbones. It looks like Angelina Jolie effect, you see? I really like this makeup on my lips because it's not too bright. In life I have much smaller lips. If you need more dramatic effect, you could use, of course, the darker eyeliner and the lighter lipstick. Thanks for watching. I hope it was helpful and see you soon.